Okay, welcome back. It's Sid from Hunter and Chavy Investments. Today we're going to be working on the garage door opener, the remote keypad for the garage door. The symptoms I was having with this garage door was I would depress the numbers and then it wouldn't work. So from what I gather, probably all these numbers are worn from me pressing it so much, because we have so much stuff in the garage, that the other side of the garage I can't use because it's filled with stuff. So fortunately, my wife has the remote for this side, the remote keypad that comes in the car. She has that, but I don't have it because the other side of the garage is packed. So we're gonna the symptoms I described was the buttons was getting worn down. I tried changing the battery, thinking it was the battery. It's kind of cold in Northeast right now. It's not the battery. It's just wear and tear. So we're gonna change this out, put a new one in. So this is the reason I can't use the other side of the garage. Thus, I have to change that remote up. So my garage is pretty much packed. So I got this from Amazon. I mean, not Amazon. Lowe's. You can get it from Amazon too. This is a universal remote wireless keypad. It's by Chamberlin. Supposedly works on most remote. And the one I have on the door right now is actually looks like a Chamberlin. Supposedly it works with every lift. I have a Lift Master. Looks like a 2.5 horsepower Lift Master. Chamberlin. It's still by Chamberlin, so that's a good thing. And like I said, it's comparable because they're a universal remote. It's the same as this one, so pretty much on point. I'll show you the comparables. Yeah, pretty much the same. It comes with the battery. Here's a great thing. Like I said, this was like $35 with tax, like 40 something odd dollars. Same exact pad. So see the difference? Not really a big difference. So that means the same. So we're gonna program the new remote, and then we'll get rid of this. This is, believe it or not, there's no wiring to this. It's just like your TV remote. It just connects directly to your chain lift up there. Okay. So if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. This is Hunter and Chavy Investments. Said again, if you like the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up. Use my affiliate links below. That's where it supports the channel. All right, let's get to it. All right, I got my replacement. I'm going to press that button, and we're going to follow the instructions. So we're going to press learn. Wait 30. Well, you have 30 seconds to enter the new password. It looks like on the Lift Master it shows some instructions there. Let's follow those instructions if that's the case. It says press and release receiver orange learn button. Within 30 seconds, press and hold remote. Press and hold remote button. Then open. When opener light flashes, release the remote button. To erase everything, press and hold receiver orange button. 6 seconds, the indicator light will turn on. Release the button when lights turn off. Let's try that. So erase it and we'll put a new one in. All right, so what you want to do is, we'll get rid of this light. It's kind of in the way. There you go. Better lighting, right? So what you want to do is, since we have the old remote over there, right there, and you guys can see that, we're going to erase that one. So in order to do that, according to the instructions, we have to press and hold the receiver learn button for 6 seconds until light will turn on, but then release the button when the lights turn off. So basically it'll clear the code from that one, and we're going to install a new one, a replacement. So what you want to do is, they're referring to this light, not this light. Big difference. So you're going to see, we're going to erase it. So it's the press and hold receiver learn button for 6 seconds until indicator will turn on, then it'll shut off. Release when the lights turn on. So release. So basically, whatever's on that code is cleared out. So now I'm gonna use our new one. So to learn the new one, it's just simply, you wanna press and release the receiver button, down. And within 30 seconds, enter the new one and press and hold the remote button to release. So we're going to take this one, we're going to press the learn button, press and release once. You have 30 seconds to enter the new code, and the 0 is your enter key. What they're referring to is press and hold the remote button. Basically, you want to enter 0 as your enter key. Okay, so we're gonna press that button, release it, enter our new pin code, and press 0. Press it. The light is actually on. It's on right now. Now we're gonna enter our new code. Press the enter sign. So the light flash because I entered the code again and pressed 0 for enter. Let's see, it works. So I'm going to enter my new pin. There it is, folks. All right. So this light's going to go off when the garage door is closing. You can hear and see. Once that light goes off, I'm going to test my new pin number. And like I said, we got to press the 0 for the enter key. Give me a second, the light's still on. There it is. All right, hope you got some information, new expertise out of this. The garage is working. New key. And we're gonna exchange out the old one. Basically the same. There's only 2 screws on it, one up there, and then the second button's inside here. So what I failed to mention was, because we erased the code for the keypad out there, you're gonna have to reprogram your remote for your car too. Same process. So we're gonna go up there and press learn, and then we're gonna hit this button. That's the one that opens my garage door. So let's do that. So we're gonna hit this button again. It should light up real quick, and we're going to press this remote. So it's lit up. There it is, it's flashing. And we're going to press it again. So that's just the only tidbit I forgot to tell you guys. You also need to You also need to, when you reprogram that, the remote out there, you have to reprogram this, because that's the only reason, because I had erased the code. All right, hope you guys like the channel. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. That's working. Let's make sure the keypad button works. So I'll enter my password, my PIN number. There it is. It works. Perfect. Everything works. All right. Next time, guys.